Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I am always on the lookout for something to beautify my yard and garden, and I'm so pleased with this beautiful hanging solar lantern from Hapjoy. It gives off a beautiful blue glow at night, and the design it makes in the surrounding area is mesmerizing to say the least. But it doesn't just look beautiful at night, it's also a beautiful piece of art during the day. I have it hanging on my shepherd's hook, but it would look beautiful hanging from a pergola or a porch. The solar panel is strong enough to suck up enough sunlight during the day that it powers it all night, and I love that it even works on cloudy days. It was very simple to put together, there was easy to read instructions, and you simply twist the light and flip the solar panel on and you're ready to go. I am very impressed with the durability. I accidentally left this out at night during a thunderstorm, and it was still there despite the wind and the rain. So if you're looking for a beautiful solar-powered lantern that will withstand any of the abuse that you put it through and still look beautiful, then I highly recommend this beautiful solar lantern from Hapjoy. And that's my point of view.